The commercial refrigeration monitoring systems market is redefining cold chain management through smarter, connected refrigeration technologies. But who are the market leaders? Copeland leads the market with 13% share, driven by its extensive portfolio of refrigeration controls, monitoring, and connected solutions. Danfoss follows with 11%, integrating its expertise in energy-efficient refrigeration technologies. Carel Industries holds 8%, while Honeywell International and Johnson Controls each account for 4%, reflecting their strong capabilities in intelligent building and refrigeration management systems. As digital transformation advances across the cold chain, smarter monitoring technologies will play a critical role in improving reliability, sustainability, and operational efficiency. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.